Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Hania's World. So today I'm going to show you a toy that my mom brought me from a store, but I forgot to make a video and show it to you. So I'm showing it to you now. Look, it's a funny outdoor picnic bag and it's mainly like in peach color and it has a sky blue bow on it with a black gem in between. Open it from up here like that, and it has all the toys inside, and let's see what it comes with. Here is our pepper, and here is our white basket, which we can actually keep our vegetables inside. And here is our utensils. The utensils are knife, spoon, and spatula. And it also comes with a frying pan with a cap. So I was telling you that it also comes with a sky blue frying pan which also has a grey cap, and it also comes with a boiling pan with a cap like that, and we have our 2 plates, and then we have our tags. One has a carrot on it and says nutrition, and the other has a brinjal on it and says delicious. And last but not least, we have our vegetables. Here we have our corn, our pumpkin, our capsicum, and our brinjal. Now I will tell you an interesting thing of this playset. If you want to carry this playset anywhere, like if you're going to the picnic at the park or wherever you're going and you want this, you can actually put it like that, and it actually has a stove and a timer and our options over here. And it has even some stickers on the side like salt and pepper, brinjal, capsicum, a bunny holding a card, and a capsicum, and a strawberry, and a boiling pan, and lots of stickers. So, and you can actually hang your utensils or tags over here, and you can put your basket over here. Now I will show you how to place things in it. First, you will take your basket and you can put it over here. Like that. And you can keep your vegetable. And you can keep your vegetables inside. I'm going to keep my pumpkin and corn over here, and I can keep my brinjal and capsicum under this basket, and I will put my delicate plates over here next to the vegetable basket, and I can also put my pepper in front of the plates like that. I'm going to hang my tags over, and I'm going to hang my tag over here. You can also hang your 3 utensils, but I'm going to hang my tags over here, and the carrot one like that. And you can also hang an utensil here, or you could hang all of your 3 utensils here and put the tags somewhere else. But I'm hanging my tags and a utensil over here. So I'm going to put my boiling pan over here like that, and I'm going to put my frying pan over here like that, and I'm going to put my And I'm going to put my spatula and knife over here just in case I need them. And you can like cook or fry your vegetables, and you can like play with your brothers and sister and pretend that you're cooking, or you could make a cafe out of it. I really like this place. I hope you liked it too. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends and family. Allah Hafiz.